The cryptocurrency market, guys, may honestly about to get euphoric or become euphoric when we're about to see, or people are slowly calling for $300,000 Bitcoin. First things first, it's looking very well. Why? Because breaking, the Nasdaq just hit a new all-time high. The stock market, guys, that's ridiculous, right? Things are just going higher and higher and higher. That's what we say to guys until something obviously breaks. Look at this. For the stock market, it seems like they're at extreme greed as well. Okay, but we have to look at the crypto fear and greed index, guys. Why? Because this is an indicator, another indicator that retail is here, or things are going to get euphoric here soon. So we have hit extreme greed, guys, but a lot of people are now probably thinking, oh, that's really bad. No, it's not, guys, because in the previous bull run, right, we have reached extreme greed levels multiple times, so many times, guys. We actually stayed there for months. Look at that, literally for months, guys, right? So if history does repeat or at least rhyme, the crypto market will stay here for the next few months, right, at extreme greed levels, because that's what needs to happen, guys. That's what usually happens, right? As we can see right here, we need this to happen, guys. Brother, you think I could send you $20 to $100 for you to invest for me? I'm seeing people make 6 figures from nothing on TikTok, and I know you're in the crypto scene. We can split the profits, right? So people think this is bad, guys, but no, it's not. We need retail to flood in, right? So things could get higher and higher. It's just more fuel to the fire, guys. Especially right now, institutions are buying, and everyone jumps in as well, guys. That's how that parabola advance occurs, right? That parabolic move, guys, right here, literally right here. Let's just say Bitcoin's right now at what, 68K or so, guys, right? This portion is when retail floods in, right? Everyone's buying for no reason, guys, right? Like no tomorrow. And that's when you want to get out, though. So here's the game plan, okay, guys? So let us pay attention to see what's upcoming. Bitcoin has literally $2.4 billion worth of shorts to liquidate if it goes to $70,000, guys. You guys see how many people are shorting, right? It already took the longs. Now it's going towards the shorts, guys. So be very careful out there. Why? Because I don't know who's shorting in this damn environment, guys, right? Why? Please tell me why. Nobody knows. But you want to be very careful. It's because when cryptos move, guys, it moves fairly fast. Justin, Galaxy Digital CEO, tells Fox Business he really thinks Bitcoin will hit $100,000 this year. That's 100K seems like in the next probably weeks. Nobody knows, guys, right? But let's check this out, guys. Let's see what his reasoning is right here.
Prudency right now.
A report card on fiscal prudency. Mike, you talked about 69,000, the next way stations and points on the road. 100,000 this year?
I think so. I really do. Again, I can't tell you if we're going to go through 69 in the next day, week, or 2 months. It wouldn't surprise me if we take it out, but it also wouldn't surprise me if we bounce between 58 and 69,000 until some of this buying gets digested, and then the next move up.
Interesting. So he's basically saying, here's 69K, guys, right? And Bitcoin will probably just go like this, right, until we break out. That's what happened basically in the last cycle. This portion of it, guys, right, took a month for them to clear the cells, and then it exploded towards what, 69K it was, right? So here was 20K, and then it went to 69K, guys. And basically, but right now there's a difference though, right? Because there are ETFs, guys. People are buying like no tomorrow, right? Institutions, which means this will probably be shorter, right? Less than a month. Last time it took a month, maybe 2 weeks now, right? A week, I don't know, guys, or even less.
It's really hard to say right now because there's just this almost like this runaway momentum in these ETFs. I mean,
exactly. That's what we just say to guys. I didn't watch the full video at all, guys, right? I don't watch the video at all. I'm watching it in real time with you guys. Again, there's a difference now because there are ETFs, guys, right? So things can get out of hand. I'm hoping for 90K by April, but what if we hit 300K, right? What if we hit, or not 300, but like what if we hit 6 figures, guys, right? And that's when we want to get out, though.
They've raised $7.5 billion of new capital. And it just keeps coming in.
Yeah, and yours, by the way, for our viewers, is the Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin ETF BTCO. Really.
And then, if you thought 100K is crazy, guys, look at this. New Rich Dad Poor Dad. Arthur says the biggest mistake you can make is to procrastinate on Bitcoin. Next stop, 300K in 2024. So the targets went from 100, guys, right, to 300 now. This year. That's ridiculous, right? That's insane. But is it truly, right? The crazy part is a lot of people are now doubting, I think they're doubting, Bitcoin can't hit these levels, right? When a lot of people doubt, guys, the opposite always happens, right? It always occurs. Now, I'm not saying we're going to 300K, but we'll have to take it day by day, though, right? But in parabolas, guys, you guys seen, and go look at Nvidia's chart, right? Go look at Tesla's chart, guys. Go look at XRP's charts, right? In parabolas like this, guys, it goes up like no tomorrow. That's the thing. So you want to be very careful out there. Just be aware, guys. Okay. Now that could be a possibility, especially if the ETFs keep buying after the halving, when the supply is cut in half. Right? It's in 39 days or so, guys. Right? 38 days now. So let us prepare, guys, because if the institutions and ETFs, if the institutions keep buying up the Bitcoin supply, yeah, there is no stopping Bitcoin then, right? Especially when it's cut in half. New, Mark Cuban tells CNBC that Bitcoin is a great store of value, and this is why he is invested in it, guys, right? No matter the narrative, I don't care what narrative they use, it definitely isn't a great store of value. I'll tell you why. Because during recessions, does it pump or dump? Is it like gold? No, obviously. Just look at the chart, guys. History shows it all. What happened in 2020? Exactly. It plummeted like 60-ish%, guys. Is that a great store of value? Obviously not. So, no matter the narrative they stick to Bitcoin, guys, I don't care, because it's going to be good for our bags. Because the higher Bitcoin goes, guys, the more money that'll flow into altcoins, guys, right? When it's time, the more money. It'll be a tsunami, guys. Basically, flooded.
Bitcoin is just driven by supply and demand. There's only going to be 21 million of them. The more people that buy and the fewer people that sell, that means the price is going to go up. That's just...
Exactly. Right now, people are holding, guys, right? Grayscale selling, but the institutions are buying. So, in this phase of the market, guys, you don't want to be in and out of things. In my opinion, not financial advice, but that's just me, guys. Please like today's video if you guys are enjoying it thus far. But please like it, guys. But you want to just have your eyes open, guys, for whatever happens, right? Because if you do one wrong mistake here, you're going to get left out, right? Left behind. So the risk to reward is, if you sell right now, guys, obviously profit is profit, so that's good. But if you sell right now, it's more risky to sell than to be in the markets, in my opinion. Not financial advice. That's why I'm just holding, right? I haven't sold anything, guys.
The nature of it. It's a great store of value. That's why I have an investment in it, because I do feel that the demand is going to exceed the number of people selling. Bitcoin is just driven by...
There you guys go. Right. Then we have more positive news on the scene. Breaking: Germany's largest stock exchange has launched a Bitcoin and crypto trading platform for institutions, right? So guys, this is insane, because they're not even in yet as well. That's the thing, right? Arizona Senate considers adding spot Bitcoin ETFs to the state's retirement portfolio, guys. Well, look at that, right? So there's still more players that have to join in, guys, from Morgan Stanley as well. At present, the company is carrying out due diligence checks before it officially makes the offering of an ETF, right? It just gets crazier by the second, guys. Institutions are here, but the biggest players have yet to arrive. This is how Bitcoin and cryptos can just keep exploding towards the upside, right? I'm just worried about a black swan in the middle of it, guys, in the middle of the cycle. That's all I'm worried about. But I do believe we'll see a crazy... It has to be so crazy, guys, because they have to lure everyone in before they ritualize it, before they collapse it, right? Before they take the liquidity from the retailers, guys. As you guys can see right here, institutions are here, but the biggest players have yet to arrive, right? Study findings additionally reveal that pensions, endowments, and foundations have both the lowest adoption and highest assets under management among respondents, indicating that adoption is concentrated to the lower assets under management. Institutional investors and the larger institutions haven't yet made allocations, right? Again, guys, right, we're still waiting for the bigger banks to join in the party and other institutions, guys. So it seems like it's about to get crazy, because cryptocurrencies from Morgan Stanley once again will disrupt the global financial system in 2024. Wow. Right, the banks don't want to hear that, guys. What about XRP? Is XRP's utility about to go live here soon with some type of news, right, to spark things up? That's what it seems like, doesn't it, guys? Because Morgan Stanley, one of the most important financial player in the world, has predicted that cryptocurrencies will disrupt the global financial system in 2024. Not even 2025, but this year, guys, right? that both stablecoins and the rise of central bank digital currencies are completely reshaping global finance. Whoa. 2024 possibly? Nobody knows, but if they're talking about utility, then let it be so, right? Bottom right paragraph doesn't get any clearer than this, guys. End of 2024 and early 2025. Check this out. This will be the intro of the final phase of the bull market, where a bull market of altcoins will begin to reach max upside potential. Listen to that 2026, 2027 if you want to, right? LOL. Now I heard Flare F assets are going live probably in early or late 2024, early 2025, right, for Flare, but SGB is about to go here live soon. What's fascinating is Flare, I called it, they timed the bottom. Will they time the top as well? Weird, huh? We will likely see the lowest prices for 2024. Our research suggests that 2024 will be a bullish year, right? I'm guessing this is from a report from an institution or something like that, guys. From end 2024 and early 2025 onwards might allow gaining maximum upside on the final phase of the crypto bull run through altcoins. Wow! Did they just give you what? This is insane. They just gave us a cheat code, guys, right? So early 2024, early 2025, end 2024 to early 2025, guys, is when I guess the end of the crypto bull market will arrive, right? We'll hit that peak point. What's a little bit interesting is that, so Ripple retweeted this site, guys, right, about 2024 annual report. But over here they talk about trends, bullish signals for 2025, 2024, and 2025. But in the end, guys, we'll know when the bull market will reach or come through, or when will the bull market the end of the bull market happen, guys, is because these indicators called the bottom and the beginning of the bull run, right, and they'll call the end of the bull run as well, guys, right, and the beginning of the bear market. So we still have some time left, so I'm not worried at all, guys. I'm just trying to figure out how high can Bitcoin's price be, though, right, before we do crash. I don't know, guys, but we will know. There will be signs, actually lots of signs, but we have to keep our emotions in check. Now, but HBS, let's be prepared for the future, guys. My name is Sophie Smith. See ya.